steps are probably dangerous. It's ice. Crazy. See, my truck will start. Icicles. Let's see if she'll start. Doubt it. Okay, she didn't start. I give up. That's it. Dang. Should have plugged it up, but I'm using my extension cord, so she's not going anywhere today. Har har har. Har 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 har. Too cold. Too cold out here. Oh, that ice. Are you okay? Get up. Are you okay? I've been telling you all morning to be careful. Picture? It's a little too bright.
Yeah, it's been cold right now.
Oh, what? See? Gaping. That's Travis. What's up, dude? How are you? Hello, Riley. How are you?
Oh, I brought your big camera.
Yeah, I brought all of them and my drone.
Just really time.
Hello.
This. Saying like.
Hello, Chrissy. How are you? Hello, Mr. Andy. Oh, yeah. How are you?
Hey, good. You know alright?
Good.
I know, but so Carpenter never got back to you?
We're going to play basketball.
He never lets me play.
all threats. Not let them keep it.
I asked Bailey if she wanted to play. Huh? You don't want to play?
Yeah. You won't let me play. Travis?
Huh?
You're acting like Travis doesn't let me play. Looks like sesame sauce. What do you usually use for glaze? I feel like it should have been warm water.
That's what I'm thinking there. Y'all finished, man.
That was quick.
Yeah, don't mess with it. You probably break it, you get the pie, you have to work extra.
I don't think it's hot
I think
enough.
the excursion I'm going on is gonna be turtles
Oh yeah, I'll look that up
River.
and see.
and
River?
Yeah, you do
How
turtles,
many excursions are we doing?
Cenote.
Oh yeah, how many?
Oh, I might just do one. I might just do one really good one. Okay.
How many do y'all averagely do?
We did a free one. I might do that cheap one they have there too. I like it. Not very long. Would you do that one again, Abby?
What?
You know what we did last time?
Yeah.
Would you do that one again?
I just worried about that with Travis.
What?
I just worried about that with Travis.
Well, he could just swim. You don't have to. He can stay in the boat. Remember, some people stay in the boat.
What do you think? I definitely think it helped the sugar. But do you like the taste? Yeah. It tastes like honey. How much is it?
You got me right.
It's 140 is what we have to get to. Okay, so what are we doing again? Sorry, I know you were talking.
Basically, we'll look at this, and you have to fill in the blank.
Okay.
And we're trying to get, is it only 2 people to match?
2 people have to match a win?
Tally up is
No,
it's you're trying to get to 25 points for ones that won. So basically, you only want 2 people at this table to have the same, like you and someone else want to have the same word, like
But all of us don't want to
cereal
match.
bowl.
We don't want to match with everybody.
Yeah,
Not
you just want
everyone.
like
You
you
and
and
someone
someone
else
else.
to
Like you and Lewis have the same word, and like us not.
Because if you and Lewis have matching words and no one else matches, y'all get 3 points.
But if you, me, and Lewis have a matching,
Y'all only
we
get
get
1
one.
point. And you're trying to get as many points as possible to get to your 20.
Watch, so one person who needs to listen to this is in the bathroom.
Oh.
Upper lip.
I almost did upper cut.
dang it.
I did upper room.
West side. What in the ghetto? Okay, Mom, no. I was thinking about what we did yesterday. Upper body. What in the ghetto? What?
Ooh, it's slippery. Heck yeah. Look at all that. Alright. Gotta go start the car. The car's full of ice though. We're gonna have to let it.
You can start your
This is
car.
their mom.
This is what is in there.
This is
Yeah,
the stepdad.
I warmed it up right now.
So the girl on the horn should be in there.
No, we're good.
We can't.
Now we can. There's ice on the road.
You want to go to Lowe's at all or no? No? Home? Okay.
We might home.
Blanca's like, nope. Not doing this. You wanna go inside, Blanca? Come on. Come on.
What's the plan for the night? It feels
4 heater. Yeah, it's not bad.
pretty good. We have another heater too if we have to hook it up.
Yeah, I don't think we'll use it.
I'm not ready for day 2 because day 1 was horrible. We can't even imagine what happens on day 2.
Yesterday was the prep.
The prep. for
Yesterday was the prep of Snowmageddon, and today is day 1 of Snowmageddon. It wasn't that bad until earlier, but maybe 3 hours ago it started getting colder and colder. So I guess we'll see. What's the weather gonna be like?
It's 28 degrees and it's 90% sleet all night until like 6 a.m. and it's 28 degrees, so it's below freezing.
It's already below freezing. And do we have water?
Yeah, I've been dripping it.
Okay. That was Bailey's family today that y'all kind of met today. I guess you could call that like a soft launch. I didn't want to stick the camera in their faces and then be kind of awkward about it. We have a trip coming up to Cancun, and I really like, in my head I know how I want it to be, and I want them to be
Comfortable.
by then I want them to be pretty comfortable with the cameras and the lenses and the microphones, and you know, just this being in their face. By then I should be able to
I think
talk with them next to me and holding the camera.
The person
but-
who's gonna have the most trouble with that is my dad.
If I for my videos to come out good, if I have to have a camera in other people's faces, I'm doing something wrong. That's what I think. So me as the video maker, the editor, and the producer, everything, director, I should be able to get good shots without having to have it in their face and asking them questions. You know, that's just kind of awkward, weird, which is not what I want to do. I don't want to burn that little fine line, that bridge. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was nothing too interesting, nothing crazy. I had fun today. I couldn't sit in the RV all day, and I doubt we're gonna do that tomorrow. But yeah, that's Bailey's family. Mr. Andy was in there, Chrissy, which is Andy's wife, and then the twins, the girls that I mentioned a couple vlogs back, 2 vlogs ago, and then Travis, which is her brother. Yeah, and then obviously Lane, which is Riley's boyfriend, boy thing. Yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed. Yes. I hope y'all enjoyed. And yeah, we'll see y'all in the next one. Hopefully we make it through this storm. If we don't lose power, we'll be fine.
Need some?
As long as we don't lose power. What is that, chapstick?
Pretty face.
No. As long as we don't lose power, we'll be fine. We have heaters and all that stuff, so we should be good. If you're in East Texas and need any firewood, like you're in desperate need of firewood, let me know. Bigfoot got you. Give a thumbs up. See ya.